Hello, my people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes. Now, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, cheer day here to sit down. This news, is it to sit down? No. Shh. This news is not to sit, it's to stand. My beautiful Ghanaian sisters, may una come. May una come. Yes. I get this news. No, anything why they bring come out for this my YouTube channel, I will always bring the evidence out there so that you guys will still watch the news, the thing. My beautiful sisters, I'm not fine. When are they fight for sugar daddy? Now true you they talk so. Now yo, I will put the news for there. Wonder shall never end. As una fine, rich, fine, sexy, now they fight for man. Not be even man, no. Now they fight for sugar, My mouth now for here and now say about myself. Please, my sisters, this advice goes to you girls. I'm not here to talk down of now or to no. I don't talk like that. My beautiful sister, I believe one handsome guy with they outside, they look for you. Follow and start life. You go enjoy them. Stop fighting for old men. That man is old enough to be your father. He can still marry you if he respects you, if he loves you, if he likes you. But you can see with your two eyes. He went straight away and picked the other girl to show you are not, you are not in, You understand what I try to talk. Please, sister. You, when they fight, if an elderly person chooses you, say he want to marry you, and you like to marry him, okay, but not fighting for elderly man. When your age mate, they outside, they look for you. When the young guys, they outside, they look for you. Why fighting for our father? Why? You don't say you feel stand, do something for your life and become somebody in life. You don't even need man. You don't even need man to become a rich. You don't even need man when you rich. If you want to start life, and if you have fear of God, and if you come out for good home, you go not say to follow man when you get money. You know, make sense. It's good though if you got destiny for you. Okay, fine. But just because of say money, because if money not involved, that man you not fight for him. Because some elderly men they outside now when they go look for you like this, they don't get money. You agree for them. Why fighting for me? If now a young guy, you don't even supposed to fight. If you know what you carry, how what you are, and what you go feed you, and what you know feed you, you don't need to fight for man. Man go fight for you. Do you understand? You see the other girl that our papa like, he don't want you, and you still they fight. Are you not ashamed? Sorry, I use that word. For me, I go the shame. Crowd. Not be your husband. Not be your baby father. Not be anything. You just come up. Start fighting your girl like you. And you are so beautiful. My sister, look for your own. Okay? Please. You guys should stop fighting for men. Men get men. Elderly man. So I shook. He shook for neck. Not my mouth now for hearing. May I leave now? May I wash the news? Okay, my sister, please. That guy, when they find you, go find him back. Okay, leave this our papa alone. Okay, if our papa choose you as our Regina Dane, You see, our papa he want Regina. You see, not be say Regina call the carry blow. Ama. Now you there. I'm there. Now you there. Let that kind of things happen to you, okay? He needs you and he wants you. Let him be the one fighting for you like this. Like this. Like this. Don't be the one fighting, okay? It's good to fight for your love, but woman, no ever fight for man. You that is looking at me, don't ever fight for man, okay? Always let man fight for you because you are the princess. You are the queen. The model, and the two, they are modern low. Mommy of two, you want to try? Oh yeah, may we pack our kaya. go straight to the news. Watch the Oliver.
Hey, 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 hey. Allez, mon pata, boy.
Why are you going with that?
Charlie.
If today now your first of coming across this Naija Daughter TV, please always subscribe, okay? Please subscribe to me, okay? Help me to share, give me thumbs up. I will bring more news to you, to all of now, okay? This happened for Ghana, okay? Thank you all. I know how to play well.